Myself, Narayana Reddy. I am from Math YouTube channel. Today, in this class, I am explaining about stock and shares. Very important chapter this one. But also in life, in our business. So many people are interested in stock exchange, stock market. NSE, BSE, National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. So many people are invested in mutual fund on stock exchanges. This is very important. You want to know about each and one person for business, doing business. But some people are losses, some people are gaining in this business. This what has some experience. In this business what some experience, otherwise those persons face so many problems. Yes, so you want to know about what is stock, what is shares, how to do this stock and shares. But in competitive exams also, these questions are also important. Okay, dear friends, please listen carefully here. First of all, you want to know about stock. What is meant by stock? Yes, or capital for companies, for big organizations, for industries, for factories. So investment want expense so much amount. That is capital. Yes. So what is capital? Or stock capital, whatever it is, capital. Stock capital. Simple. The amount required to run a company or a factory. Amount. Amount required to run a company. That's all. Amount required to run a company is called stock capital or capital. Okay, so that is capital. Okay, good. But whenever keep a factory or company or industry, single person can't do this because this is heavy amount. So some persons group together and keep the investment and they spend the investment and expense on that expense. So those groups group together some amount each, some 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 10,000, lakhs, crores. So those partners, those group members are called shareholders. Shareholders. Yes or not? So each and every person has some share on that factory, in that company. So what is share? Share is nothing but amount is divided into parts of a stock. This amount is divided into parts. Simple. Parts, separate parts. Suppose for example you take 10 lakhs, simple industry. So each and every person 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. So 4 members are there, 4 shares. Depends on percentage. 10%, 2%, 1%, 50%, 40%. So those can elect the MD, managing director, among shareholders. So that is depends upon some business rules, different, leave it. We don't want now. But we want what is share, is nothing but amount required, divided into parts. this amount, capital amount divided into parts is called a share. Okay. Next one is dividend. Dividend. Okay. Dividend is nothing but benefit from the company. So annual profit is divided among shareholders. Profit is distributed among shareholders. That is called dividend. So what do you get profit? How much amount will profit for annually? That is in March. Some factories some do the problems those calculations annually in June. Some factories December. Some factories March. So actually almost all companies do the annual profits or losses in March. Okay. So this one dividend means annual profit distributed among shareholders. That is dividend. Annual profit is distributed among shareholders. So this is important. Annual profit distributed among shareholders is called dividend. Okay, dear friends, these are the important points you have to know: stock capital, share, and dividend. Okay. Next one is important point is face value. What is meant by face value? Face value I will write here. So okay, these are over. Face value. Face value. Face value is nothing but the cost of share, the value of share, that's all. The value of share is called face value. Simple. So what is the value of the share is called face value. Those are printed in share certificates are there. For example, mutual fund certificates, share certificates. So those are printed values. Those are printed. Those are called face values. Okay, but we want a simple definition. Is nothing but value of share. That's all. Face value. Okay. But this face value can also be called as face value. Face value can also be called as nominal value. Face value equals to nominal value par value, par value, PA or par value. So these are three types. Equal. These three are equal. Face value, nominal value, par value. Okay. So this face value is nothing but share. Nominal value is also share. Par value is also share. These are three are equal. What do you call it as? Nominal, par, and face value. Okay. Next one is market value. What is market value? Suppose some person have a company. Suppose A have a company. He got some problems. So he sold his company for shareholders or buy the other company, other company. So what are they? Bought or sold? Bought or sold. That is market value. So stocks of different companies stocks of different companies bought or sold is called market value. The stocks of different companies bought or sold is called market value. Okay, so these are face value and market value. So market value depends on some types. For example, you can sold some property of the company for others, or he bought some property of other company. So that will depends on three parts. What are those parts? Means I will tell now. Actually, those are three types. Number one, at premium. At premium means market value greater than face value. That is at premium. Second one is at par. Market value equals to face value. Third one, at discount. Market value less than face value. These are three different types of market values are there. Number one is at premium. Premium is more, market value is more compared to share. Face value is what? Share. Face value nothing but share value, that's all. So share value greater than market value greater than share value, that is at premium more. At par means what is share is there, face value the same rate, no change in rate, no change in share value, means same share. And if a share is 100 rupees, 100 rupees itself, 200 is 200 itself. So that par, same rate, face value equals to par. At par means that is same rate, no difference. And number three is at discount. Discount means what? Market value less than the face value. Means what? Market value less compared to face value. So face value means what? Share. Share is more compared to market value. That is three different types of values are there in market values. Okay. Next one is, so to do this process, we want some brokers. Mutual fund, on stock exchange, so many places brokers are there. Yes or not? Brokers means it is nothing but those can take brokerage. That is charge, broker charge. Brokerage is nothing but broker charge. Yes or not? So these brokers, these members can take some brokerage, some charge, some brokerage. So that is called a broker charge. Okay. So now comes we all know about brokerage. What is meant by brokerage? Brokerage is nothing but broker charge. Okay, so broker charge. Broker is nothing but a broker charge. Yes, brokers can take some charge. That is called a broker's charge. That is brokerage. Okay, but these are two types. If when stock is purchased, Suppose you purchase some stock or share, the cost price is added to brokerage. The brokerage is added to cost price. So suppose if share is 100 rupees, brokerage 10 rupees, so those cost price is 110 rupees, 110 rupees. That is brokerage, including share. That is brokerage. That is called the brokerage. Okay. So here cost price is added to brokerage is added to cost price. The amount when stock is purchased, the brokerage is added to cost price. That is important. So is added to the cost price. This is most important. So when you are purchasing some share or stock, you want to pay the brokerage for the brokers. That is including in that itself, that is cost price. So including brokerage. Okay. Next one is when stock is sold. When stock is sold, the brokerage is subtracted from the selling price. When the stock is sold, the brokerage is subtracted from the selling price. So here subtracted, here added. That is difference between purchasing and selling. When you are purchasing stock, share, you want to pay the brokerage. That is included in cost price. When you want to sold the your stock or share, at that time also this selling price, this brokerage is subtracted from the selling price. Subtracted from the selling price. That is when you are solding, subtracted. When you are purchasing, added. That is the difference between selling and purchasing. Okay, that is about brokerage. And points not observed here is important point is here the face value not change. So number one is face value always same. Always same. Number two, market value MV changes. Market value changes. Is not constant. Okay. Third one is dividend always based on face value. Dividend always paid on face value. Face value of a share. Okay. So these are the three important points to us observed. Next one is number of shares by shareholder. How to identify number of shares by shareholder means this one important point is how many shares are there by the shareholder. That means total investment by investment on one share. Yes or not? Total investment on one share. Total investment by investment on one share. Number one. Another one is total income by income on one share. Total income by income on one share. Third one is total face value by face value of one share. Total face value by face value of one share. Okay, these are the important points which you have to observe. So face value same, market value changes, dividend always paid on face value, that is share, face value of a share. Number of shares means by shareholders means total investment by investment on one share, total income by income on one share, total face value by face value of one share. These are the important parts. Now I will give one example for this one, how to identify this case and other things. Here what I observed, for example, by RS 100, by RS 100, 9% stock, 9% stock at 210, at rupees 210. Okay, so by 100, 9% stock at stock is stock at 200 rupees. How to identify what is face value, what is market value, what is the income? Okay, first one is face value equals to 100 rupees. Rupees 100. Okay, same manner market value equals to 210, rupees 210. So this is face value, this is market value. Now dividend on one share is equal to dividend on one share equals to 9% of face value. 9% of face value. Okay, so 9% of face value means what? 9% of 100. Okay, that is what? Rupees 9. That is dividend on one share. Next one is income, annual income. This one, annual dividend. Okay, next one is an investment. 210 gives how much rupees? 9 rupees. An investment, how much? Market value 210, RS 210 gives rupees 9. Yes, so 9% stock at 210, this gives this one. So from interest, rate of interest annually on 100, on rupees 100 equals to this one, 9 by 210 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 3 7 ja, 3 3 ja, 30 by 9, sorry 7. That means what you get? 7 3 ja 7 4 ja 28. 2 remains 2 by 7. That is percent. This percent comes per 100 rupees per annum. This is the rate of interest per annum on a share value. But total gets 9 rupees per market value 210. So these are the simple introduction about stock and share. Take some problems in regarding this one. See the problem. Find the cost of RS 5000, 9% stock at 110. Here cost of 100 stock equals to cost of 100 stock equals to how much? RS 110. Okay. So cost of 5000 stock equals to 110 divided by 100 into 5000. 0 0 cancel. So how much? 11 5 ja 55. 0 0. This is RS. That is the answer. Okay. In this you can find the stock under stock 110 and 5000 stock is equal to this much. That is the answer. So in this way you can find the answer. See the next problem. Find the cost of RS 3500. Cost of this is 3500 stock (9% stock) at premium 5 premium. Okay, so find the cost of this 9% stock at 5 premium. Solution simple. Cost of 100 stock, premium means 5, adding, so premium means addition, that means 100 plus 5 RS, that is RS 105. Okay, premium means nothing but adding. Therefore cost of 3500 rupees stock equals to 105 divided by 100 into 3500. 0 0 0 cancel. So your premium means you can add 5. That is important. Okay, so you can multiply this 105 into 35. 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3. So 5 7 6 so 3 7 3 6 7 5. RS 3675. That is the answer. So in this way you can find the cost of 3500 at the premium 5. So in premium we can add 5. That is important. Okay. So the remaining problem same. That is premium adding. Next we can take another rule question, discount. Find the cost of 6000. 9% stock at 12% 12 discount. At 12 discount. That is the question. Here discount is 12. So solution same, cost of 100 stock equals to discount means what? 100 minus 12 rupees, that is 88 rupees. Okay, so discount means to subtract from 100, premium means to add 100. So therefore cost of 6,000 rupees equals to 88 divided by 100 into 6,000. 0, 0, 0 cancel. So can multiply 6 8 ja 48, 6 8 ja 48, 52, 0. Yes, that is rupees. That is the answer. So here you can discount, you can subtract what is the discount is there. In premium you can add what is the premium is there. In normal quotient there is no adding, there is no discount, subtracting. So dear friends, in these problems we had observed only one thing is, important point is, stock is a premium and a discount. Okay, so in this way you can do the problems by using stock and shares formulas. Okay, thanks for watching Matthew YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Matthew and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.